Today we are learning about a very famous book. It's called Journey to the Center of the Earth. Many people all over the world have read it for over 150 years. The book was written by a man called Jules Verne. He was born in France in 1828. He is known as one of the first science fiction writers in the world. Jules Verne was born in Nantes, near the sea. As a child, he loved boats, maps, and stories about travel. This love of adventure stayed with him all his life. Jules Verne wrote many books during his life. He liked to mix real science with exciting ideas. He studied geography, technology, and inventions to help make his books feel real. In 1859, Jules Verne visited Scotland. He saw old volcanoes like Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh. These places gave him ideas for Journey to the Center of the Earth. He also liked secret codes and puzzles. In one story by Edgar Allan Poe, a hidden message helps start an adventure. Jules Verne used a similar idea when writing his book. The book was first published in French in 1864. In 1867, Verne added more chapters to the story. This second version had more science and new information about prehistory. Later, the book was translated into English. Some versions changed names in the story. For example, Professor Lidenbrock became Professor Hardwigg. Today, you can still read the book in many languages. New translations were made in 2009 and 2022. Journey to the Center of the Earth is still a very popular story. Jules Verne wrote 60 books in his life. He died in 1905, but people still love his stories. Let's check what you remember with a short quiz.
Where was Jules Verne born? A. London. B. Nantes. C. Paris. What kind of stories did Jules Verne write? A. Cookbooks. B. Love stories. C. Science fiction. Which country did Verne visit before writing the book? A. Scotland. B. Italy. C. Germany. What is the name of the professor in the original French book? A. Hardwigg. B. Lidenbrock. C. Newton. When was Journey to the Center of the Earth first published? A. 2022. B. 1905. C. 1864.
Adventure calls the